Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to round in Python to up to 2 decimal places. So we are going to use a function. First we are going to use a function print, and then within print we are going to use the function round, and then I'm going to use the value which is 1 1 11.26789. Okay, so this is the value, and I'm going to round off this value up to 2 decimal places. So I am using the comma separator, and then if you want to do it to 2 decimal places, go with the value 2. Okay, and now click on run. So here we go, we get the result 11.27, which is up to 2 decimal places. So if you simply do it with, like, if you simply do it with without this, so it will give you the exact figure 11. So if you do it with 2, it will give you 11.27, and if you do it with 3 or more, so just do it with 3, it will give you round off up to 3 decimal places. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to this, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.